Guys, so we're here at the Family Dollar store and we're going to be showing you guys everything that they have here for Easter. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed. Okay, guys, let me show you these cool shirts that they have here at Family Dollar, and they're only $5. These are the Mickey Mouse shirts. These are the Rugrats, MTV, and they have Simba. I like this color. Here's more of the Nick Jr. characters. Nickelodeon for $5. Here's Stitch for $5. They have this one for MTV and Looney Tunes for $5. Really nice. Look at these bandanas. They also have hats. And these are the greeting cards that they have here. By the way, I'm in the Easter section, and look, they already have everything for Easter. I think this is something that you guys need to look, so that way you know where to shop. These are Easter skins. And look at this ones, the little bunnies, Reese's Pieces, carrots. They have cotton candy for Easter with the fun characters. There's a whole big bag of Skittles. This candy right here that is mixed with Snickers, Skittles, Twix, Starburst for $5. Look at the big baskets for $15. The lowest is $5. Here's some coloring paint for $1. Some Easter stickers for $1. These cute egg sticks. And these cups right here for $1. Unicorn mega grown egg. And here's the Easter egg decorating kit for $1. Look at this, they look like a big popsicle and they are only $1. Had different colors. This one's in pink. And then they have this one with flowers in it. These are the baskets they have this year. Here's some decorating wall decor. This is in pink, and then this one in blue. And this one you can definitely customize this one as well. But the only thing that these are already made, and it's only $1. They have the garland. Look at these little chickens for $1. And I guess they have a little bit of Valentine stuff in here. And these are all the baskets that they have. Here's more stuff. And then they have all the jumbo eggs up here. This one already comes with the gumballs inside. These are charm surprise for $3. Look at this cute plush. This is $5. Have this one. this one. It's so soft. Some more chocolate. So it was a while that I haven't come here to Family Dollar since the last time I showed you from the Valentine stuff from the last video that I did shopping in the stores. But I'll bring you guys way more another video, but this is for Easter. I guess these were left from Valentine's, but they're pretty. Yeah, I guess this is what's left from Valentine's, right? And they are 50% off. Anyways, that was put up on the 15th, so I think it's still valid. And then there's these roses. It says 50% off. Love roses, guys. We came here to the Family Dollar store, and other than looking at the Easter stuff, we noticed that they really don't have a whole lot. They don't have bread or anything like that. Like the main things, the simplest things that we need for the house, they don't have any. It seems like people started, you know, buying early before the outage that we had. So I guess that's what happened. But anyways, we're gonna look around and see if we find anything else that we need.